In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Lens on Chrome. Google Lens is built right into the Chrome browser, and it's an incredibly handy tool for searching images, translating text, or finding similar products online. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access it, how to use its main features, and a few tips to get the most out of it as you browse. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to any web page that has an image or text you're interested in. This could be a news article, a shopping site, a recipe blog, or even a page in another language. Once the page has loaded, move your mouse over the image or area of the page you want to explore. Now, right-click directly on the image, or on some empty space near the content you want to analyze. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Search Image with Google, or Search with Google Lens. Chrome may show slightly different wording depending on your version, but it will always mention Google or Lens. Click that option to continue. When you do this, a panel will open on the right side of your browser window. This is the Google Lens interface inside Chrome. You'll see the image or a snapshot of the area you selected, along with a rectangular selection box on top of it. You can drag the corners of this box to focus on the exact part of the image or text you care about. Take a moment to adjust this selection so you're highlighting the most important area, like a product, a piece of text, or a specific object. Below the image, Chrome will automatically display lens results. If you've selected an object, you'll usually see visually similar images, product listings, or related pages. If your selection includes text, look for options like Copy Text, Translate Text, or Search. You can click Translate to detect the language and see it translated instantly into your browser's default language. This is especially useful on foreign websites or screenshots. You can scroll through the lens results to find more details, alternative sources, or different angles of the same object. If you are shopping, pay attention to product links, prices, and websites. When you find a result that looks helpful, just click it to open in a new tab. As you browse the web, you can repeat this process on any image or selected area. Right-click, choose Google Lens, adjust your selection, and review the results. With a few clicks, you can identify objects, translate signs or menus, and quickly find information related to anything you see on a page, all without leaving Chrome.